Here is the expanded version of your script. I have added more depth to the hook to really validate the viewer's frustration, expanded on the cost-saving benefits of the gaming features, and explained why things like Wi-Fi 7 and Apple Intelligence matter to the average user, all while keeping the vocabulary simple and the sentences short for a smooth voiceover. Have you ever sat down after a long, exhausting day just to watch your favorite show, only to be met with pure frustration? You pick up the remote to your expensive smart TV, and the menus are incredibly slow and laggy. You press a button, and it takes 5 agonizing seconds for the screen to actually respond. You press it again, thinking it did not register, and suddenly the TV jumps ahead 3 menus. I completely understand how annoying that is. We have been trained to think that TVs just naturally get slower over time. We think we just have to live with the buffering circles and the crashing apps. But that is simply a cheap hardware limitation. Your TV manufacturer used the cheapest processor possible to save money. But Apple is about to fix this problem completely. We are standing on the edge of a massive shift in home entertainment. The new Apple TV 4K 2026 launch is approaching quickly. The details coming out about this device are absolutely incredible. If you're thinking about buying a Roku, a Fire Stick, or a high-end smart TV just for the apps, you need to stop right now. Let us dive into the massive upgrades that are going to change your living room forever. The most shocking news about the 2026 Apple TV 4K is the price. Apple is aiming for a massive price drop. They want to hit a sweet spot of just $99 for the base model. This is a brilliant move to rapidly expand their market share and get this device into every single home. Imagine getting premium Apple hardware for less than $100. Apple is treating this new device very seriously. It is heavily tied to Apple's brand new artificial intelligence upgrades. Because of this focus on smart features, the official launch will happen between May and September 2026. This timeline perfectly aligns with their major new software updates. While Apple is working on other smart home displays, the Apple TV 4K refresh is their primary focus right now. And the internal hardware is going to absolutely blow us away. This new Apple TV will pack an A17 Pro chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Let that sink in for a second. This is not just a simple streaming stick anymore. This is the exact raw power needed to run local artificial intelligence right in your living room. The 3nm A17 Pro chip features a 6-core graphics processor. This massive upgrade gives the Apple TV the raw power to play actual console games. You'll be able to play massive titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed right on your TV. It will feature hardware-accelerated ray tracing for realistic lighting and zero lag. Apple is actively turning a tiny streaming box into a high-end gaming console. It brings true console gaming straight to the living room without forcing you to buy a huge, bulky, and expensive gaming system like a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox. You are saving hundreds of dollars while still getting top-tier entertainment. But the upgrades do not stop at gaming. Apple is using a brilliant hybrid AI strategy. They are combining incredibly fast on-device Apple Intelligence with powerful cloud AI to make your voice assistant fully conversational. You will not have to repeat yourself or use robotic commands anymore. You can just talk to your TV normally. You can ask it to find a movie with that one actor from the 90s, and it will instantly know exactly what you mean. The 2026 Apple TV is the absolute key hardware needed to showcase this new smart voice assistant in your home. Apple is also designing a custom networking chip for this device. This powerful new chip will bring blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 to your television. Wi-Fi 7 is a total game changer for home networks. This means completely zero latency for 4K streaming. Movies will load instantly the second you click play. It also means high-end cloud gaming will be buttery smooth with no annoying delays or dropped frames. The new Apple TV is also designed to be the ultimate universal smart home hub. It will easily control all your smart lights, locks, and cameras using the latest smart home protocols without slowing down your internet. We might even see amazing new physical features like a motion-activated backlit remote. You will never lose your remote in the dark again, and it will feature precision finding just like your AirTags. All of these incredible details point to massive improvements across the board. We are getting a premium chipset, plenty of memory, custom networking, and zero lag streaming. We are looking at full artificial intelligence integration and an eco-friendly physical design. Apple is no longer treating the living room as a small side hobby. They want total dominance of your home. They want to be the brain of your smart home and your cinematic powerhouse all at once. Your current TV's internal processor is garbage because it was built to be as cheap as possible. The 2026 Apple TV is built with premium silicon to last a full decade without slowing down. It solves the nasty problem of slow, smart TVs forever. In my honest opinion, and $99 price point, this device is going to completely wipe out the competition. Even if you only use it for the buttery smooth interface and the insanely fast AI search, it is worth every single penny. It is an absolute steal for the amount of power you get. What do you guys think about the incredible new Apple TV? Are you going to buy one when it launches and finally fix your slow TV? Let me know down below in the comments. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another huge tech update.